Well, just look at this for a stunning route. Most of the pack of us are staying together. There's about 16 at the minute, and do you know what? These roads are breathtaking, incredibly breathtaking. It's gorgeous and stunning. Just curve after curve, awesome bend after awesome bend is just out of this world. Just out of this world. Now we've got a challenge coming up, and of course I can only beat the Sidekick and prove him that I'm the best in the world. I can't wait again to take the glory and see the crowd clapping and the poor Sidekick in tears. Of course I'll be a gentleman and offer him a gentleman's hug that I'm sure he'd embrace, just to get over the, you know, the pure losing of the challenge. Well, we were a big pack, there was loads of us, and then somehow at a load of crossroads everyone's gone in different directions. So we're currently down to, what were we at, 16, 17 people, and we're now down to, all including me and you, there's four of us.
Yeah, I don't know what's just gone on, it's just like...
Chaos.
Yeah,
It's like a different crossroad, corks in the road, everyone just went all different ways.
Somebody turned around and went back, and there's just bikes gone here, there and everywhere, left, right and centre. We just don't know what's happened.
Well,
It's almost like a bit like a comedy film.
the big question now is, mate, will we find everyone else, or will this only become a very, very small group?
Very strange.
It is strange, isn't it? We've lost everyone. All that was left was 3 monkeys and a Vespa. The Vespa's up to be taken next. Will Helmet Head and the Sidekick find the rest of the group? Will the rest of the group never be seen again? Tune in next week to find out. You reckon that sounds quite radio? Oh well, there's more. There's hundreds.
There's so many...
Did someone come off?
No, it's another hipster. It's the monkey pack, isn't it? Graham, it's the ones that we told to go on, but we've...
Oh, where are you going?
We've lost a load of them. Seem to...
Tell him to keep going,
We
mate.
stopped there and waited for ages, they've not caught us up, we don't know what's happened.
Okay. We were just in the middle of turning round, that's why I'm like...
Yeah.
Right, just I think we're going to have to keep going.
Where the crossroads went, I think people went this way, people went that way, someone turned around. But I just think we just keep going now at this point.
You what, Jack? Yeah, I think we're going to have to, yeah. We waited at that crossroads up there for ages, nobody came, so I'm not sure what's happened.
So,
This is going to be quite exciting. Me and the Sidekick are going to go head to head in a challenge. We've got to put a cup of water on our head and ride our bikes along. The first person to lose the water, the cup falls off, the other person wins. And do you know what? Of course I'm not going to cheat and try and push him off or distract him in any way whatsoever. So ladies and gentlemen, I give you the 1 cup water challenge.
Further.
Who won? That's just a practice round.
No.
Is that practice? I think I did really well there. No, you cheat.
No, yeah.
It's because he's got a flat head.
Yeah.
It's not got the brain cells that gives it a round bit.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know, oh, you're the only one for me, no one else. I'm gonna shout it out, yeah, up on the mountaintop. I'm gonna let everyone know.
So there's a problem with the monkey bike. The wheel bearing's gone in it, and on our way back to the hotel for the beer to end the show, the wheel bearing went. The wheel wobbled all over the place. I thought I was going to come off. Yeah, a bit gutted. So we're currently seeing if I can get a van to get back to the hotel, the pub, so we can have a drink, or basically I am going to be having to get a tow all the way home, recovered back, and then have to come back and collect my stuff. Oh, gutting.